So if you're looking to try and decide between the two platforms, Kajabi versus Kartra, this video is for you, where I look at both platforms, which would be best for your online business, whatever stage you're at. If you're looking to start an online business, or if you already have started an online business, watch all the way to the end, because I'm just going to go through which one could be better for you in your personal circumstances. So full disclosure, I am a Kajabi user, and I think there's no better time to start an online business with Kajabi today. I can actually get you a 30-day free trial. If you wanted to take it out for a spin, that's double the amount that the public can get. Head to timpeatman.com/Kajabi. If you do, it is an affiliate link, so I'm going to thank you by offering you a free mini course, Kajabi Unboxed. And this is a course that I've put together for you to actually put in place first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, what you need to, not what you should be doing, but what is needed to actually grow on this platform. And then if you stick around and become a paying member of Kajabi like me and know it and love it like I do, I'm going to grant you another program. And this is just sales page templates, which you can actually download templates in a theme and then upload them to your sales pages and use the sales page templates that I use in my business. So without further ado, I'm going to head over into my desktop and I'm going to show you the differences or the similarities between Kajabi versus Kartra. So here we are on Kajabi. This is kajabi.com, or you can simply Google Kajabi. Now, they pride themselves as the one-stop shop. The software, everything is under one roof. So you're looking at all the tools you need in one place, and not to be tech savvy, so it is drag and drop. 0% revenue fees. They don't take any of the revenues that you make on this platform, and then no hassle, money back guarantee. So if you can appreciate that Kajabi have actually come from a courseware background, they actually started up building courses and courseware so you could actually sell courses online. Then they've actually built out all these other tools that people actually needed to actually check out or to email, affiliate linking, that you actually need to grow your online business. So it's grown from there. So if I was to head on over to Kartra, it's just home.kartra.com, or you can simply Google Kartra. These are very similar platforms. So some of the things that I'm going to be comparing to today are very, very similar, but you have to understand that Kartra has actually come from a marketing and a funnel building background. So it all depends what you want starting up in your online business. I'm going to go into the pricing, which is the biggest point of today's video, but understanding what you want in your online business today will actually help you make the decision of which one to go for. And now these are the two front runners. These are the two most expensive platforms on the market, but there's a reason for that. So if you have a look down, again, Kartra is everything you need to build your own online business. It's very similar messaging, like this is the one-stop shop, but it's come from that funnel building background, that marketing background. So let's cut straight to it. Let's look at the prices. So Kajabi is known for being quite expensive, but actually you're only just paying for Kajabi. You're not paying for anything else. You're not paying for any other tools. Let's look at the monthly. So we're starting basic $149 a month, growth $199, and a pro $399. If I look over to Kartra pricing, and again, I'm going to compare monthly. The starter is $199, $299 for the silver, and then $549 for the platinum. So very similar in the way they do their cards and the way that you can click from annual to monthly. So this is obviously what works. The basic, getting started on Kajabi, is that little bit more expensive, because as you can see, Kartra is $199 versus the $149. But if I was to scroll down and have a look at what this actually includes, if you were to go to the silver in Kartra, it's $229 a month. It's actually more expensive than the growth plan, the middle plan with Kajabi. So they all have 3 plans. And the more you get into Kartra, $549 a month for their platinum, Kajabi goes up to $399. So it's higher to start on Kajabi, but it actually tails off in terms of more affordability. And this is the most popular one, the growth, as it says. And probably Kartra's most popular one is the silver. So what can you get with these? So let's have a look, compare the basics. 0% transaction fees, that is great with Kajabi. Kartra give 2,500 contacts. Let's have a look at contacts. So 10,000 contacts. So that's, got to ask yourself, what is your aim for your online business? Do you see yourself actually pushing through that barrier of that contact limit? It's 4 times as much, right? So you got 2,500 here, and then actually 10,000. So it's 4 times as much with Kajabi. So they're actually giving you that little bit more with the contacts. So just keep that in mind. One custom domain, that's probably the same with Kajabi. One website they call it. 15,000 emails, right? This is a bit of a red flag for me. They're limiting the amount of emails you can send. Kajabi is fantastic at unlimited marketing emails. So if you want to be sending out emails on the regular to your list and growing your list building is the fundamental principle for building any online business. And if you want to market to them and email them all the time, unlimited marketing emails is a great tool with Kajabi and Kartra. You're just going to have a look. That's 15,000 emails a month. You probably won't hit that when you start, but as you grow and your email list starts to grow, it does mount up. So that's another note to actually keep in mind. So let's have a look back. Let's go down the Kartra. 50 gig bandwidth. I don't think Kajabi limits you with any bandwidth. 100 pages. So this is landing pages. So they do limit you again with the pages. Unlimited landing pages from Kajabi. This is one of my favorite things, unlimited landing pages. And you can host unlimited videos. I think Kartra give you 50 videos and 100 landing pages. So it's limiting on how much you can build out. And if you are actually blogging, this would be a red flag for me. If you're blogging every day or every week or however many blogs you put out, you're going to be wanting separate landing pages for actually people to discover you online. And Kajabi have unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, and unlimited videos. Kajabi don't even have a thing here for videos. They use Wistia. That's probably one of the best platforms. It's an inbuilt video software platform that Kajabi uses. 20 products. Now, this could be if you have 20 products or you have a big product range that you want to build out. This could be the tipping point for you and you could be choosing Kartra, but 20 products is, in my book, quite excessive. If you're just starting out, I'd be focusing on one product or maybe two, possibly three. That's why Kajabi have given you 3 products for you to focus in on. So ask yourself that question. So these guys do membership sites. Kajabi actually have one community now, so they have a community per website. So again, level pegging here. One help desk. This is really cool. They allow you to create a help desk for your students. So this could be a winner if you are actually building out a knowledge-based product and you want somewhere for your students to go and actually type in support. Hey, I have a question about this, and it's got a help desk that will actually serve them up a little bit like a search engine, some of the results or the articles that you actually put out in terms of helping your students get the answers that they need. Kajabi doesn't have that in terms of a help desk function. So again, all depends what you need. And there's some of the things here. So funnel simulator, Kartra webinars, and Kartra agency. The biggest one here for me would be webinars. Kajabi lets you have funnels, but you could actually build out automated webinars. Because you have unlimited video, you can build out unlimited webinars, really. You can have on-demand webinars or live webinars. Just Kajabi will be holding a landing page. That's probably where the funnels come in. Can you be using those funnels to build out those webinars and creating those events and have automations and emails going out in relation to those events? So it all depends on, again, your personal circumstances, what you're looking for. But for me, the basic plan is actually tailored for although it's a little bit more expensive, it's actually tailored for what a startup would need. It doesn't need 20 products, but it does need landing pages and emails unlimited. Moving to the growth and the pro, it just builds on what you get. So if you have a look down, again, you're still limiting the number of contacts that Kartra offer, and Kajabi actually goes up to 25,000 contacts. Still has one website, but you go up to 15 products and 15 funnels. So really interrogate what this means to you. These two platforms are very, very similar. It's just what you get in terms of some of the functionality can be what you actually pay for. But what I like to do in all of these software comparison videos is I like to go over to Trustpilot and have a look at what Trustpilot says. Kajabi have got a lot of reviews on Trustpilot, 1,700 reviews on Trustpilot, and it's at a 4.6. So this is excellent for me. So it's an independent review platform. I always look at Trustpilot and I'm blown away by how good Kajabi is in terms of the platform, the user experience. And for me, Kajabi is really, really good at customer support. So if I'm struggling building out something, I ask chat support. It's a 24/7 chat support if you're on the growth, and they're really, really good to actually solve your problems. It's probably hands down the best chat support that I have ever seen. But actually going over to Kartra, this is Kartra official. Now take this with a pinch of salt. There are only 12 reviews on here, so I'm sure Kartra aren't pushing this or aren't actually asking their members to rate them on Trustpilot. But 12 reviews, that being said, it's at 2.8 stars. So you might want to read some of these critical reviews before you actually pull the trigger on Kartra. And also have a look around at some of the other platforms as well. It doesn't have to be Kartra. Compare Kajabi with everything else. That's what I'm doing to try and give you the best information possible to try and make your informed decision. Not always Kajabi is going to be the best bet. It all depends on your personal circumstances and the business you want to build. But that being said, I am biased with Kajabi. Hopefully you have found value in this comparison of Kajabi versus Kartra. That link once more, you can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to get your free 30-day trial and a couple of those extra bonuses from me, the Kajabi Unbox course. And then if you do stick around to be a paying member of Kajabi, I'm going to grant you those sales page templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. And yes, full disclosure, this is an affiliate link. So all it means is part of your payment comes back to me in support of this channel if you continue to be a paying customer. So that's it. I hope I've made your decision that little bit easier, and I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.